Days after tax raids on UP businessman Piyush Jain uncovered eye-popping piles of cash, now Samajwadi Party's Pushparaj Jain found himself searched by authorities today. Around 50 locations are being searched by the Income Tax Department in Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and Mumbai. Meanwhile, Akhilesh Yadav slammed the raids, calling it political vendetta.
उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता ने मन बना लिया कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सफाया होगा और जनता का रुझान देख करके ये घबरा गए भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग। इनकी जो रैलियां हो रही हैं वो सरकारी रैलियां हैं, इनकी रैलियां सफल नहीं हैं, इनके कार्यक्रम सफल नहीं हैं, इनकी योजनाएं फेल हुई हैं। इसलिए अपनी नाकामी छिपाने के लिए और जो समर्थन समाजवादी पार्टी को मिला है उस समर्थन से घबरा करके ये दिल्ली से केंद्रीय एजेंसी को भेज रहे हैं जिससे समाजवादी पार्टी बदनाम हो जाए।
कि जिस गाड़ी में सपा का झंडा समझो बैठा है कोई पेशेवर गुंडा। कानपुर में प्रधानमंत्री जी आए थे और कानपुर की जनता को मेट्रो की सौगात देने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री जी आए थे। समाजवादी पार्टी के लोगों ने वहां दंगा भड़काने का कार्य किया। पुलिस ने तत्काल कार्रवाई की और जितने भी ये गुंडे थे सबके खिलाफ प्रभावी कार्रवाई कानपुर के अंदर हुई है।
Let's take this across to our guest. Charu Pragya, spokesperson of the BJP. Karan Verma, author and political analyst, is with us. We also have Vivek Sailas, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Charu Pragya, let me begin with you first. Akhilesh Yadav, launching his salvo, has said that this is nothing but politically motivated vendetta that is being carried out in the form of these raids. Your response to that?
First of all, there are elections all over the country.
At any given point of time, this is a regular process. Sometimes there are local elections, sometimes there are general elections, state elections, and this is a system which is independent of how the other departments of our government functions. So I think, first of all, Akhilesh ji need to understand that if there was a raid and that raid found nothing, I would still say that what he's saying might make sense because the government might be resorting to some other tactic. But does he have any face to save now when after these raids so much of cash, so much of gold has been recovered? So the fact is that the result of the raid proves itself. The raids were done at the right place at the right time where all these spoils or cash was found, and the government has done its job exceedingly well by locating the source of this cash and then catching it at that source.
Okay.
So I think Akhilesh ji needs to reflect on why he gets very worried when these kinds of raids are carried out. And I want to just repeat myself and say the correctness of the raid is proved by the result of that raid.
All right, Vivek Sailas, if you have nothing to fear about, why are you worried or why are you commenting on these raids? That's the question coming in from the BJP. Your response?
Yes, Madam, I think the Bharatiya Janata Party seems to be little bit scared. They look frightened. They look edgy at the moment. And the BJP can sense a definite defeat in Uttar Pradesh. And that is why such things are happening. You know, as soon as the program of our national president Akhilesh Yadav ji came for Kannauj, they started raiding. We know, and we were saying it. They raided the wrong man. They raided their own man. And as Charu ji was saying, the cash was found and gold was found. Let me tell you, please, Charu ji, you know, 26 kgs of gold was also found, and that gold happens to be from Abu Dhabi and Dubai. It is not from India. That is a proven fact. Secondly, how did that gold, without paying the taxes of the custom, came to India? That is a question. It does matter. And the cash that is found, please listen to me, and the cash that is found is the cash that has been put after the demonetization. It's all new currency. But Prime Minister Modi ji always said the demonetization policy will bring an end to black money, black marketing. There's nothing to smile about it. He also said it will bring an end to terrorism, corruption, even Naxalwad. And what is happening,
Madam,
we can see it, right? And it's very, very evident. It's very evident that the overwhelming...
I want a quick response from Karan Verma. I'm going to come to you. Charu, I'm coming to you. 1 minute. Karan Verma is also with us. I want Karan to respond to that. Karan Verma.
Bharatiya Janata Party is on the back foot.
Madhav, the Samajwadi Party and their spokesperson, they are all watching too many Priyadarshan films. I'm telling you that. Mistaken identities, gold found. I mean, they are in a parallel universe. And they are saying the BJP is rattled.
Gold has not been found. What do you mean to say?
Is nowhere in the contention.
Can you tell that? Can you say?
No, please let me
Don't lie on the
speak. Please
TV
let me
channel.
speak.
Gold is not found.
Madhav,
You tell
as
me
per
whether the gold has been
Bhajan
found or
as
not.
per
Yes
the
or no?
Bhajan-
Okay,
Tell me
okay,
that.
okay. He's responding to you, sir. He's responding to you.
Please, let me
Gold is not found
Okay,
in India.
Mr. Salas, you've spoken, sir. Let others speak now, please. You asked a question. Karan Verma, how can you say that this is a reality? This is not the reality when gold has genuinely been found? It's a pertinent
No, it
question.
is found.
How did that
So-
gold
so
come from
kudos
abroad?
to the border.
Was the duty paid?
Kudos to
India.
the
Please tell me
kudos
that.
to the income tax authorities who've conducted a successful raid, Madhav.
Duty paid.
Kudos to them.
has been
And why
proven
should,
without
you know,
duty
political
paid.
vendetta
How did
is
it
the
come
easiest
inside India?
resort for...
Mr. Salas, please don't heckle.
You know,
Nobody has heckled you, sir. Please, let's calm down. Let's calm down. Let's have a civil debate.
Let me make
Karan
my
Verma.
point, please. Yeah. You know, Madhav, as per the Bhajan Lal judgment 92 and so many other Supreme Court judgments, it doesn't matter what the intention is, whether it is political vendetta or not. What matters is the merit of the case. Now, if Samajwadi Party and their accomplices and their people are squeaky clean, they should welcome any sort of investigation, any sort of probe. Why are they crying political vendetta if they are so clear in their conscience? And
No, but
of
Karan
all the
Verma, let me
things,
also ask
please-
you a question. Let me ask you a
Yeah.
counter question to
Yeah.
that. You've made a point.
Yeah.
You made a point, and we've just asked that question, in fact, to Mr. Salas. But my point
Sure.
is this: if up until yesterday there was no proof, and neither BJP, nobody could come out with any evidence that has been found in the case of the first person, Mr. Piyush Jain, and his linkages to the Samajwadi Party, which the BJP was repeatedly talking about. Now, if BJP had, and in fact, Akhilesh Yadav had come out to say that the wrong Mr. Jain, Mr. P. Jain had been raided. By these raids happening today, somewhere or the other, does it not confirm the statements that Samajwadi Party or the allegations that Samajwadi Party was making, Karan?
No, Madhav. Madhav, any raid cannot happen without actionable intelligence. That is the rule book, number one. And whether this person was linked to Samajwadi Party or not, we are discussing the merits of the case. This gentleman was found in possession of 197 crores and 23 kgs of gold that has been confiscated. He has been tried in a court of law and is under 14 days of judicial remand as we speak. Now the other person, whether that person is from Samajwadi Party, and we know he is, so again, a fair investigation will happen there, a fair raid will happen. Whether he was linked to Samajwadi Party or not, the truth of the matter is the raid turned out to be a successful one.
Okay.
That person is today in judicial remand. And if the Samajwadi Party is squeaky clean, they should welcome any sort of raid.
Okay. Vivek Salas, quick response to that.
Can I
The raid took
please
place as follows. I'm coming. Charu, I'm just coming to you after this response. Vivek Salas, respond to that. If the person and the laws have been followed in this particular case, there was intelligence, there was action. It's not something that happened overnight. There were trucks that were found in Ahmedabad and a legal process has been followed. So it's wrong to say that there is any political motive or agenda behind this, is the word coming in from Karan Verma. Please respond.
Yes, yes. There is definitely a motive behind it. I'll tell you why. Since nothing has been proven, the man Piyush Jain belongs to which party or from where did the cash came from, it's still unknown. But why did the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh say the man is from the Samajwadi Party? He said it in a rally. Why? What is this? It is a pure false narrative that the Bharatiya Janata Party and sadly the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is trying to project in front of the people. That is the point. That is the point. Why? How can you say that the man is from the Samajwadi Party? For Pampi Jain, you can say, yes, he is our MLC. But
Okay.
Piyush Jain was never linked to the Samajwadi Party.
Very
Why the
pertinent
Chief
question.
Minister, why
Very
the
pertinent
Honorable
question.
Prime Minister,
If the
why the,
allegations are not substantiated,
yes,
then why
Home
were they
Minister
made in the
saying
first
he
place,
belongs to-
Charu Pragya? I think
That
that's a pertinent
shows your
question.
hypocrisy.
I'm going to allow that question. You made a
That
point,
is
sir.
your
Let her respond now.
hypocrisy, man.
Charu Pragya, please respond.
So, Mr. Salas,
A proven
please take a
hypocrisy.
breather. Have a drink
Mr.
of water.
Salas.
I know you're agitated. You know, looking at his behavior and drawing a similarity between the behaviors of all the
I don't
Samajwadi
need to be
spokesperson, they are all very rattled all the time and they keep pointing fingers at BJP and saying that BJP is scared. Looking at all their debates, I think they need to look in the mirror first. They are rattled and the only line that they can come up with is that BJP is scared. So first of all, BJP is not scared. We are doing our work. If an economic offender's house was raided and cash was found, point proved, right? And after that, it does not matter where that person is from and which political affiliation that man has, irrespective. So today, whatever his political affiliation, he has been raided and this raid has been proved correct.
No, but
Second
his
of all,
question is,
you all-
but his question,
Yeah,
Charu,
I'm
remains
coming to
unanswered.
that.
Why was
Madhav,
that allegation
I'm
made from a
coming to that.
political stage by
Let
BJP leaders? That's his
Everything
question.
that he's been saying till now, I was responding to that. Now I'm coming to the next point. Now, if our chief minister has reason to believe that this man is connected to Samajwadi, let me assure you, he will be found to be eventually. You remember the Delhi riots, and then everybody kept saying that nobody from Aam Aadmi Party had anything to do with it. In the end, it turned out to be true, because people in our government, people in our party are not going to be making baseless allegations of this magnitude without due diligence. So let me assure you, whether it is today, tomorrow or day after, what our chief minister is saying is going to be found to be true. And most importantly, Mr. Salas, it's a bitter pill for you to swallow, I know. The fact is that people of Uttar Pradesh are with BJP. They have been BJP. All your political experiments have failed, all the way from 2014 to 17 to 19 and now 22 also. UP ke ladke part 1 failed, UP ke ladke part 2 is going to fail.
Okay.
And that is what is rattling you. And now the icing on the cake has been that your cash has been caught. I know you are rattled, but you have to take it gracefully. You have to apologize to the
Okay.
people.
You made your point now. Let him respond. Vivek Salas.
Yes. A little break. Please ask me the question. I couldn't.
No, she has asked you. She is repeatedly saying that you are rattled only because your cash has been caught out. Otherwise, why are you so rattled? Why is the SP and all its leaders and spokespersons so agitated when they come on air? That's the question she's been asking you.
The first thing which Charu ma'am said was that it will come out, it has to come out, because since the Chief Minister and the Prime Minister and the Honorable Home Minister has said, so whatever they say is the gospel truth. But still, ma'am, let me tell you, nothing has been proved. No one knows Piyush Jain belongs to which party. We are all guessing it, anticipating it, and seeing what happens next.
But
nothing has been proved.
Then?
And the problem is, definitely you are scared.
Okay. We'll have to leave it there. Of course, what will be very important to see what comes out as far as the arrest memo or any kind of interrogation or other court papers, if at all any arrests or any other further action happens on part of the agencies, given that over 50 locations across the country have been raided. What was found will also be very important for the investigating authorities to bring out in the public domain eventually. I'd like to thank all of you for joining us. Karan Verma as well as Charu Pragya and Vivek Salas. We're slipping into a quick break for now.